Okay, we are going to be making a tornado in a bottle.
Okay.
For this demonstration, the materials that you need are 2-liter soda bottles, preferably clear.
Clear.
We also need water,
Okay.
a funnel,
Water.
food coloring, glitter, and duct tape. Instead of duct tape, they have things that are called tornado tubes that you can use, but we don't have tornado tubes, so we're just going to use duct tape. Okay, so to start this demonstration, we need to fill one of the soda bottles with water 2/3 of the way.
Oops, it splashed on me.
That's okay. Okay, then we're going to add some food coloring. We're going to do blue.
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 What should I do?
You want to squeeze this in? Help me squeeze it. 1, 2, 3. That should be good. Just a couple drops.
I was going to spin it really fast.
Well, we're going to add some glitter.
Glitter.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to spin really fast. That's my favorite color.
What color is it?
Purple.
Cool. Okay, so we added food coloring and glitter to our water. The glitter can represent debris that would be picked up in the tornado. And so now we're going to flip this bottle on top. So this is when, if you had a tornado tube, it would screw on to this part of the bottle and then also screw on to the top bottle and connect it that way. But we don't have that, so we're going to use duct tape.
And I'll hold it.
Okay, thank you.
Really tight.
Not really tight, but be careful, we don't want to spill it, okay? Okay, so you gotta make sure it's, Mommy will do this part, okay? You gotta make sure it's straight on there. You hold the bottom one for me.
Okay.
A little lower. We gotta put the tape on it, yeah.
But don't you stick me.
I won't stick you. Okay. So try to get it, if you're going to use duct tape, as evenly on there as you can so that it's straight. Thank you, Harper. Okay. Don't push it though.
Stay it.
Can you hold the bottom one for me? That would be more helpful. Thank you.
Oh, that scared me.
Okay, so now we have everything we need to make our tornado. Okay, flip it over, move it in a circular motion, and then it creates a vortex in the center of the bottle and spirals down into the next bottle. And then you can flip it over and do it again. Want to try now? Ready? Flip it and spin it. Spin it. All right, let go. There it goes. You can let your students know when you're doing this demonstration in particular that most tornadoes form counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere, just something that they can experiment. So if you have them turn their bottles counterclockwise instead of clockwise, that's how most tornadoes are actually formed. this demonstration would be a good experiment to do with your students during weather unit, especially when they're learning about tornadoes. It would be really great if each kid could make their own tornado bottle, and then they can bring them home to experiment with them further. And if that's not possible, to do a couple for the class to keep in the classroom so that they can experiment with them more and learn more about how tornadoes work.